Equivalent fractions. Comparing fractions. Predicted outcomes. Man, this is what... Oh, I need 2 cups today. This is a lot of work. Plus or minus...
What are you doing? We were meeting for fishing.
Fishing? What are you talking about, Mr. Perez? We got...
Trout in the river.
Trout?
Trout?
No. We have a test coming up tomorrow for 4th graders, Mr. Perez. Remember this?
Test?
Chapter 7 review.
Chapter 7?
Yeah.
I thought we were in chapter 6 already.
We finished that one, Mr. Perez. Man, we have major stuff that we got to get these kids ready for. Fishing?
So that means I cannot go fishing? No puedo ir a pescar? ¿Por qué?
No, Mr. Perez. No. I'm sorry. You're going to have to put the rod down. Wait a minute, that's mine.
I thought you lent me. No? Mr. Byrne, siempre cambias mis planes. Always changing my plans.
Sorry. I got a problem, Mr. Perez. I was trying to find some... Have you seen my crayons?
Your what?
My Crayolas, my crayons. Crayons.
I don't know, but you were using 12
Yeah, I know.
yesterday.
I had a full set of 12.
What did you do? Do you remember something?
I don't remember.
I think you lent some of them to someone and you told me about you lost some of them.
Yeah.
Can you explain me that?
Well,
I can help you with that. Yo puedo ayudarte. Yo puedo ayudarte para descubrir el número de crayons que te quedan.
okay.
¿Cuántos tenías?
Well, I had, let's take it to the board, but,
Okay.
I can't find 6 of them. I've lost, I think, 6. They're nowhere to be found.
Okay, wait. Espera, Mr. Byrne. Vamos step by step.
Okay.
Paso por paso, ¿vale?
Yeah.
¿Tú recuerdas cuántas tenías?
How many did I have total?
Sí, ¿cuántas tenías al principio?
The
beginning.
I think I had 18? No, 12?
Oh, Mr. Byrne,
Yeah.
memory. 12. You told me 12.
I told you 12.
Okay, can you...
So a total of 12.
The whole is 12.
The
You
whole,
remember
yeah,
that word?
That's right.
The whole is 12. El
The
total es 12, vale.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay. The fraction that you lost. You told me, I know, but I want you to work with your memory. Tienes un problema aquí en la memoria. Tienes...
Well,
your RAM memory is not working very well.
No, it's
Maybe your hard disk is okay, but not your RAM.
My
Mr.
RAM?
Byrne, RAM, R-A-M, like...
Bighorn sheep? Rams?
Yes.
Is this computer talk? What is
Yes.
this?
You lost 1/6.
That's true. I've lost 1/6.
Okay.
Okay.
And you lent...
Oh, that's right. I gave some to some kids.
Yes. 2/6.
Okay. Whoops, I don't know why I put that kind of stuff in there.
Yes.
2/6 I gave away, right?
Yes. Okay, now we have to calculate the fraction of a whole. Eso es un problema que nuestros alumnos, our students, they know how to do. Okay.
I've lost 1/6 and I gave out 2/6 to some kids because I was taught to share.
To share.
Yeah, to help.
I'm sure you were doing that. So, check this out. 1/6
Yep.
de 12 of 12.
Oh yes, that's right. 1/6 of 12.
Okay, so this is what you lost.
Mm-hmm.
Come here. I have an example for you right here.
Wow.
These are not your crayons.
Those are nice.
They can work. Estas
Okay.
pueden funcionar, ¿vale?
I got it.
12.
Okay, 12.
So what I do, regarding de acuerdo que tú perdiste un sexto,
Yep.
you lost 1/6, I make groups of 6,
Yeah.
equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh yeah.
6 equal groups, not group of 6, sorry. 6 equal groups.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Because that's the denominator.
Right.
Six.
Right.
Okay?
6 equal groups.
6 equal groups, and
you
you
have a
lost
total-
one of them. No, you lost. So you lost 2 crayons.
Ah.
Okay. So
Okay, that makes sense to me. So 1/6 of 12 is 2. Yep.
okay, now let's go to the next.
Oh yeah.
You lend-
I
you-
was giving
You
out
give
2/6.
2/6 of 12.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Well,
let's take it to the
let's take it
table.
to the example.
Yeah. Again, same denominator, 6. So we have 6 equal groups.
Yep.
How many did you lost?
2.
Did you lose?
Yeah,
2.
I
1,
lost them.
2. How many crayons?
Total of 4.
You're right.
Hey, yeah.
So, what's your question?
So
How many did you
I
have left?
lost
How many
2. I lent out
4.
4. So as far as what's missing for me, these are the 2 I lost. Well, not really. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm really missing a total of 6 out of my own supply.
And where do you have the other 6?
I don't know. That's the part I can't find.
Can you check your pockets, Mr. Byrne?
Markers? Oh, no.
No, don't tell me.
Oh, no. 1, 2. Those are the 2 that I lost, I think, and these were the 2 I lent these out. So you're right. Now I have them all back.
Do you see, Mr. Byrne? The 6, 2 that you bought, that you lost, and the 4 that you give it away.
I let people use it.
Let people use it.
Yeah, I'm going to look
what-
at that one more time.
Yeah, what we have is to make 6 equal group
Of
of
12.
those 12.
Right.
That means each group has 2.
Yep.
So, and then you are losing one of the groups.
Yeah.
Again, you divide 12 by 6, you have 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. That's the math stuff that you need
This twice.
to complete a fraction of a whole.
I'm glad you brought that back up because I think it's important for 4th graders to know that and myself. Okay.
Because I'm not going to be helping you forever. No te voy a estar ayudando siempre, así que mejor que aprendas esto. ¿Vale? Una fracción de un total. El total lo divido entre el denominador. 12 divided by 6 is 2 multiplied by 1, 2. That's the math stuff.
I got it.
I explain you the real stuff with a real example. So
I got it.
you better remember for
Well,
next time. Tú mejor que lo recuerdes, ¿eh?
What about, I think it's important to know some things about those spinners.
Oh, spinner. Oh, don't talk to me about spinner. Okay?
No?
Mi última experiencia no fue muy buena con spinner.
Whatever you just said, that doesn't sound good.
No fue muy bien. Pero okay.
Well, I can
think
show you something maybe.
I can deal with that again.
Well, let's take a look. Maybe you can help me too. We can both, because spinners are kind of a very important part of 4th grade here. Probability and outcomes. We've talked
And
about that.
expect results.
Yeah.
That's a lot of important.
It seems like
Very
yellow
important.
has been getting kind of the tough part here.
Yellow.
Yeah, it's always been in our examples the one that hasn't been
Yellow.
happening.
That's kind of food. It's
Amarillo.
amarillo.
Sí.
Un color. Okay.
And then what if I divided the spinner into thirds? What would
Okay,
a-
I can see this is 1/2.
That's right.
That's obvious. Okay.
That's one.
And now,
What if I divide it into thirds?
yes.
You know, typically a third. Would this be about a third, you think, Mr. Perez?
Like this.
Yeah. About like that?
Yeah.
that a
We have 1/3 here. We have another third here. More or less a little bit.
Maybe about there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay.
All right. Well, that works out well because I think this might be even close to a 6.
That's sure. Yeah. Un
So this
sexto.
is about a third because another would be 2/3 and then 3/3 is a yeah.
1/3, 2/3, 3/3. Muy bien. Y este es un sexto.
And maybe this one is blue. Maybe I should use green since that's what I have. But and then this little piece of pie, let's call it red. And we know if we had to give that a fraction, it looks to me like it's in about 6s, because 1, 2, 3 is about a half.
Mm-hmm.
So I would say these are about 1/6.
1/6. Sí.
Okay.
Esto lo hemos estado trabajando ya. We have been doing this. I think our kids, they're gonna
Hopefully do well.
manage very well. Mm-hmm. So, what is the ¿qué esperas the expect result when you spin the clip to get a yellow?
All right.
To get the click in the yellow. What is the expect result? ¿Cuál es el resultado que se espera?
Well, I would say it is likely.
It is
be.
likely. You're right.
But can you tell me, like, fraction-wise?
Yes, it's 1/2 or maybe 3 if you want to express the result with a 6 denominator. 6.
Yeah, that makes sense. 1/2.
That's yellow.
Okay. That makes sense because if I did spin it,
What about red?
well, we have our fraction here. It's about 1/6 of the time if I spent with
Claro.
try at 1.
Eso significa que cada 6 veces una cae en rojo. Eso es lo que estamos esperando.
1/6. But what if I tried it maybe twice? 1/6 plus 1/6? 2/6?
1/6 plus 1/6 to 6.
2/6.
Mhm.
Okay. And then for blue,
Blue 1/3.
okay, 1/3. About 1/3 of the time blue.
That means 2/6.
How does that mean 2/6? 1/3 equals 2/6?
That means when you spin 6 times, your expect result is to get 2 blues, 2 times on blue.
That makes sense.
This is expecting results, predicting. And you know what, Mr. Pearl? ¿Sabes qué?
What?
We were doing this in the classroom, and the expect result and the real result was very similar.
That's good.
Math works. Matemáticas funcionan
That's my
bien.
new slogan. Math works.
Okay.
Okay, so spinners. I have a better idea. 1/2, 6 thirds. Anything else we really need to cover for?
yes, Mr. Bird,
this-
you remember addition?
Oh boy.
I know how to do that. Check this out.
Okay, ready. I'm ready.
I have, for example, 3 or 2 thirds plus 1, 6. Easy. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. I know how to do it.
Oh no, Mr. Perez.
No?
You fell into the classic trap. What do we have down here? Are these common denominators? 3 and 6s?
Thank you.
No, we can't add those. If it was 1/3 plus another 1/3, no problem.
Life is easy.
Life is simple.
Simple.
Our denominators stay the same and our numerators change. That's 2/3.
Oh.
But this is my denominator alarm goes off. Not the same. So sometimes I stop, drop, and roll if that's the case.
So do you mean I was wrong?
That's wrong. But I found out that stop,
Yo me he
dropping, and rolling
equivocado,
is not
pues,
right.
explícamelo.
Okay, Mr. Perez, this is the difficult part. We have to find something common between 3 and a 6.
Oh, you mean an equivalent fraction here with 6 denominator. I know how to do equivalent fractions.
Okay, I'll show you.
Okay, I need 6. And I have 3, so I need 2 times 2, the 3. So 3 times 2 is 6.
Yeah.
So what you do to the bottom, you do to the top. What you do to the top, you do to the bottom.
That's correct.
So I have to time 2. I have the equivalent fraction right here.
Wow.
And now this one stay the same, right?
Whoa.
Now life is easy. Thank you, Mr. Burr.
Yeah. 5, 6.
Thank you for making
that
me
was-
to remember that. Okay,
Okay,
So-
wow, that's good.
Mr. Burr.
I think
I
that's
think this
about
is the
it.
most important stuff for the test.
Yeah.
Can I go fishing, please?
I tell you what, I'll let you go fishing now, Mr. Perez. I think we got it covered.
Thank
Have fun.
you.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Probability.
We will share fish.
Adios, fourth graders.
Hasta mañana.
Good luck.